Hello friends, welcome back to TechLearnHubl. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation. So for this, you have to open a Google Chrome and search VMware Workstation Pro. So once you click enter, so you will be see the below links. So you have to click on the link. So once you start, this is the official website for VMware Workstation, and you see Windows and Linux. So if anybody using Linux machine, go for the Linux. So I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to download Windows version. So click on the download. So download will be start over there, and you will see the downloading. So I already have a setup file, so I don't want to waste any more time to download in this process. So I will show you my .exe file over there. So friends, see over here I have a .exe file. So what you have to do, you have to right click on and run as administrator. So why? Because we have run as administrator, so every machine should be installed as a run as admin. So if you not log in run as admin, so please log in as a admin, otherwise enter the administrator username and password. So it will be ask you enter the, so for me I have preparation will be start workstation, see as you see on the screen. So yes, so we'll wait for some time. Friends, if you want to learn more for tech related courses, so please follow TechLearnHubl, subscribe my channel for more video. So friends, so VMware Workstation Pro setup will be launched here. So we'll start click on the next. Once you click on the next, please click on agree, accept and agree the terms and license. So click on the next again. So go for the default, click on the next and uncheck this box, add more VMware console, don't want required, go for the next. Go for the default settings, click next, leave it as that is the same, click on the next. So because desktop icon will be create on the screen, so go for the next, click on the install. Now install process will be start, friends. So it will be take some amount of time. So meanwhile I will pause the video. Once it is installed, I will come back. So friends, the workstation installed successfully. So we have to click on the license, we have to activate. Friend, don't worry, I will give the license key link on description. Go follow and I have a license over here. So click on the license, any one. I am selecting the first one. So I will activate this. I have to enter the license here and enter. Once it is enter, our workstation will set up successfully. So just click on the next. So friends, I will give both the links, like workstation setup link as well as the license key as well. Have you see over here my desktop icon? So I will launch it and I will show you so how it looks. So my workstation will launch successfully. So yeah, so workstation is successfully installed. So in the next video I will explain you what MCSC course. So and we will show how to create a new virtual machines with the help of VMware Workstation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video. If you have any questions, drop a comment and email as well.